back everybody. So today's project, I'm doing a bowl called Okinawa Sunset. I'm just marking out here for the tenon of the bowl. Alright, so now we're going to start shaping it round, and we're going to start off using the finisher, the mid-size one from Easy Wood Tools. Starting to get it to some kind of shape here, just flattening off the top of the bowl. And now we'll swap to the mid-size rougher from Easy Wood Tools just to finish off making the tenon. And back to the mid-size rougher to finalise the shape. There we go. Alright, so I've done most of the sanding, so we're just going to finish it up here with a bit of 240 grit. A little bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain. Some sanding sealer. And of course some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There's links down in the description if you wish to buy any of this. We're going about 500 to 600 speed here. You just work it all in until you get off a clean paper towel. You know it's all but worked in then. You end up with the equivalent of about 1,000 grit. There we go. And on to the next step with some Hampshire original Lustre wax. If anybody's interested in using any of the Hampshire products used in this video, there will be a link down in the description. Just nice and slowly get a nice even coverage. Let the solvents evaporate. And then you buff it in around about 1,000 to 1,200. Not pressing too hard so you don't wipe any of the wax off. Just building up the heat and getting a nice shine on it. There we go. We're going to work our way to the top of the bowl now. I'm going to flatten the surface off with a mid-size rougher. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of sanding. This is sanding up the 240 grit. There's some black evanizing lacquer. And there's some Okinawa Sunset from Eye Candy Pigments. I'm just going to use a paper towel to put it all over now. Lesson learned for me for next time is put something on the lathe to catch the loose mica powder. Okay, so now we're going to seal that first layer in with a bit of sanding sealer, just a light coat. And once that's dried, we're going to build up the layers again. I think I initially put on just 3 coats, I think, of mica powders. This is the ColorShift mica powder, which you will see right at the end. There we go. And once again, seal that in and then let it dry. And then some more Hampshire Sheen wax. Once again, wipe it all over. Nice and slow. Make sure you get nice even coverage. About 1000 to 1200, and once again buff it in. There we go. Okay, so we're going to bring up the tool rest and we're going to get to do following. We're going to start off with the number 1 hollower. And there's the mid-size finisher. Just take out any lines and ridges that might have happened. And then the mid-size detailer, just to make some accent lines in the rim. Alright, once again I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're going to sand to 240, which is this grit right here. Air to compress there, just to clean the pores. And some Yorkshire Grit. Trying not to get it all over the finish of the wood. There you go, you just buff it in until no residue comes off. There you go. And you have the equivalent with 1,000 grit. And finally, Hampshire Sheen back. Okay, if you like this video, please remember to hit that thumbs up and share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to your enemies if you like. Please leave a comment down below on what you thought. And until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye bye for now.